Well, here we are again. It's results day here at the MPTC Group of Colleges, and big smiles on faces once again. And I'll give you a little bit of an overview of how well things have actually gone. And because it's not only about A-level results day, it's about vocational results, it's about the baccalaureate as well. But our A-level students have done incredibly well once again. We've got almost 30% at A-star A, 50% at A-star B, and over 3/4 at A-star to C. Fantastic performance for the students. They've worked so hard. And if I take you to our gifted and talented students, some incredible results once again. Well over 1/3 of our students gaining A-stars, and almost 85% of our students gaining A-star A, which is phenomenal to me. It's absolutely phenomenal performance. Well done, everyone, to our teachers and to our students. And if I move on to the Advanced Skills Baccalaureate for Wales, what a tremendous performance this year, and a massive increase on last year. We've got over 25% of our students with A-star A. We've got nearly 60% with A-star B. Again, nearly 85% with A-star C, and 100% with A-star to E. An absolutely phenomenal performance. That's almost 400 successfully achieving the Advanced Skills Baccalaureate for Wales qualification. I'm absolutely over the moon. And our students sitting our level 3 vocational qualifications have excelled tremendously. Almost 200 of our students with distinction grades. And of those, nearly 50, just one short of 50, were at a distinction star level. That's the highest possible vocational grade profile that you can actually get, which is equivalent to A-star A at A level. So if we put all those results together and took a comparison of how well our students have performed, it is absolutely outstanding, and we are over the moon. Well done, everyone. Longyfarchiadau.